Intshela ukuthi lento yenu the comeback is missing the point. The comeback thina we are fighting against illegal immigrants. Ayikho yonke leyo nto leyo. Nayi nangumjida wenu la yena lo umthakathi angazi umthakathi bani lo. He didn't even verify ukuthi lo mjida are you here in South Africa illegal or legal. He didn't verify, but nina nithi the comeback is missing the point. Thina siyayazi agenda yenu bafethu. This is black on black hate. Sithi phansi nge-tribalism, phansi nge-xenophobia, phansi nge-afrophobia. Yesizwe ngani thina bafethu. Ningakhomenta laphana niloku nithi, hey, the comeback is missing the point. Listen to this video. Listen to uPhakela Mthakathi wenu la. Listen to this guy. Listen.
Where are you from? Yes. Where? Yes. Huh?
Yes.
Yes. So what are you doing here? Because we've been calling for you guys to leave the country. Why are you still here?
I was not to school for children.
No, my friend.
Okay.
No. Please respect what we are saying and don't try and oppose what we are doing. Don't listen to the government. Don't listen.
So tell me, at which point of this conversation, Bafet, did this guy verify ukuthi lo mchito nama documents? So nina nithi, that is why I'm saying with your methods, Bafet, are going to get us in trouble in South Africa. There's better ways of doing lento lena. There's better ways. Yekela lento eniyenzayo. Nale genge le busy. Le genge busy yenza ama video ngami lana every day. Nithola na 21 views. TikTok izonnyisa bafana bami. Izonnyisa TikTok. Inabantu bayi TikTok. Ba busy bayenza ama video niyangimenshina lapho. Of course ngizowabona lama video manje ngimenshina. But let me tell you one thing. Nizoloku nithola ama 21 views bafana bami. Niloku nithukana nami.